Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Todoist with a Notion. So here I'm going to show you how to integrate Todoist into Notion so you can view and manage your tasks directly inside your Notion page. First, you have to go to todoist.com and then log in. You can create an account if you don't have. Now locate that specific project, and what you're going to do is you have to click the three dots next to the project name and choose copy link to project. Now go to Notion and then sign in. If you don't have an account, create an account. Locate that specific project right here, and then what you're going to do is you have to basically just type the slash command and then look for embed. For example, this one right here, I'm going to add my to-do list. So I'm going to type slash and then look for embed. If you can't find it, then you can just basically scroll down, or you can just type embed, but you just have to simply type it for easier. But if you can't find that, then you can just scroll down and look for embed. Now, once you found embed right here, what you're going to do is you have to specifically paste the link or URL that you have copied earlier from Todoist. So let me look for the embed first. So I can paste the link from Todoist. So basically, once you have pasted the link right here, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then the Todoist project will just appear here on your Notion. And by the time you can now view tasks, you can now edit, or you can now manage your to-do list here inside your Notion. And that's how easy it is to use Todoist with Notion. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.